Here we go again, and I'm not talking about another place that needs to be knocked down. I'm talking about a place that we've been doing for years. I've been doing for years, documenting it, right across the street from the post office. Look at this. Remember this video? I've done a couple of them. This is an old gas station, and it had a old building over there, and all of it's gone now. They're knocking them down. Here we go. Look, there's the last little remaining sign. All right, I'm gonna do what I do. I'm gonna film this, throw on some tunes because it's a windy day, and the demolition of the nightmare gas station. I'm sure all this is gone. Glad I got to document it, aren't you? Now we get to celebrate the demolition and a new beginning. Here we are with another cleanup. And I'll tell you what, somebody who's been doing this for 7 years, as myself, grew up in the city, it sure is nice to see some of these old eyesores come down, because after a while, they're not memories anymore. They're just eyesores. We've done a couple of videos here. I've done a couple of videos myself, and it was time for this place to go. So it's gone. If you're not subscribed, come on, you got to do that. Give me a thumbs up. We'll see you next round. I'm Storm. You are subscribed, right? Oh, and one more thing. Congratulations to Mayor Melton, the new mayor, Gary, Indiana. 2024. I'm still City Storm. We are out here doing it. It's cold. But the demolition of all these places makes it worth getting out here and doing. Hope you've enjoyed it. See you next video. Okay. I'm cold. It's over with. Subscribe. I'm cold. I shaved. Ooh. La-di-da-da. Oh, and by the way, if you have not seen a video of this place, I forgot to tell you, it'll be at the end of the video. Like right there. Right here. And subscribe right there.